Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where we give you information and actionable tips to grow your organization.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Body. We're with Delos Inc., and we make the web and your marketing work for you without the overwhelm. We know digital marketing can feel like a never-ending maze of to-dos, what to post, where to show up, and how to actually get real results. That's why on this week's Tech News Tuesday, we're so excited to announce the return of Digital Marketing Live.
That's right, Donna. If you've been feeling stuck or just don't have a clear plan for your marketing, this is the event you've been waiting for. If you're on our wait list, good news. Registration is officially open.
Mark your calendars for April 10th to the 12th. You really aren't going to want to miss this.
Look, we try to give you valuable marketing tips here every week, but we know it can still feel overwhelming. Maybe you've been posting on social media, running ads, or trying SEO, but you're still not seeing real results.
That's because your random acts of marketing don't work. You don't need more information. You need a step-by-step plan that gets you better leads, more clients, and revenue growth.
And that's exactly what Digital Marketing Live is all about. We're taking you through the same proven process we use with our clients to build a digital marketing strategy that actually works.
And here's the best part. It's live and interactive, not just another webinar or live stream. You'll get your questions answered, network with other business owners, and walk away with a personalized action plan.
This 3-day live virtual event is all about turning your marketing into a system that works so you can attract the right clients, get more visibility, and stop wasting time on strategies that don't deliver results. And we're also diving into one of the biggest shifts in marketing right now, AI tools, so you can work smarter, not harder. Here's what we'll cover each day.
Well, day one is about getting visibility, getting found, and getting noticed. Because before you can grow, you need to get in front of the right people. And that starts with knowing exactly who you're trying to reach and how to show up where they're looking. Together, we'll define your perfect target audience so your marketing attracts the right clients, not just anyone. We'll show you how to get found on Google with simple steps to improve your search rankings so that you're the business customers find first. And we'll optimize your messaging, because the words you use can make the difference between someone scrolling past you or choosing you. Once you know who you're attracting and how to get found, the next step is making sure that they actually engage with your content.
Day 2 is about getting traffic and creating better content faster with AI. You know who you want to attract. Now let's make sure you're getting in front of them with the right content. You'll create a powerful content plan that connects with your website, email, social media, and ads, so everything works together to bring in more leads. You'll also learn how to avoid the biggest mistakes that can cause businesses to waste time and money. And you'll discover how to use AI tools to speed up content creation so you can generate fresh ideas, create social media posts, and draft marketing emails in minutes, not hours. AI isn't here to replace your voice. It's here to save you time, help you create content more efficiently without losing what makes your brand unique. Once you're driving more traffic, the next step is to making sure it actually converts into sales.
That brings us to day 3, which is all about getting results. Marketing that doesn't lead to sales is just noise. So today we'll focus on turning your efforts into actual revenue. You'll learn how to convert visitors into paying customers, because clicks and likes just don't pay the bills. You'll use AI-powered insights to measure and track what's working in order to make smarter marketing decisions. And we're going to demystify Meta and Google ads, so you're spending your ad dollars wisely and getting the best return on your investment if you're using ads to get traffic. Finally, you'll map out your personalized next steps so that you leave this event with a clear action plan, not just ideas, but a real strategy that you can start using immediately.
And we have a couple of early bird bonuses for attendees, including our Canva training on how to batch create months of social posts in minutes and our editorial calendar template that lets you plan and track all your content, key messages, and campaigns with ease. Consistency builds traction, and getting it on a calendar makes it happen.
If you've been struggling to get results, this is your chance to fix that before another year passes with marketing that doesn't work.
And the best part, since Digital Marketing Live is virtual, there's no travel, no hotel cost, just 3 focused high-impact sessions to get your marketing on track. Now, if you haven't experienced something like this before, let me tell you a little bit about how it works. This isn't going to be like a TV series that you're going to binge watch. The sessions are highly interactive. In addition to learning and creating your plan, you'll have a chance to interact in small groups with other business owners facing similar challenges. We'll have some fun items planned along the way too.
So here's what you need to do next. Go to digitalmarketing.live right now and grab your spot while early bird pricing is still available.
Again, that's digitalmarketing.live. Type it into your browser and take the first step towards marketing that actually brings in business.
We can't wait to see you there. Let's turn your random acts of marketing into reliable revenue together.
And that's it for today's episode. See you at Digital Marketing Live. You can find the link for Digital Marketing Live at delosinc.com/episode 386, or just go to digitalmarketing.live. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.